truck next.
Ceramic coating. Ceramic coating. Y'all look at this. Y'all know what time it is. Your boy Scoop Life 365, man. About to get out here and get my grind on. Time to buy some cars, time to make some money, man. I'm gonna show y'all this game. But first of all, you gotta make sure you got your money. You gotta make sure you got your peace with you. Because, you know, you just never know, man. Out here in these streets, it's the wild, wild west. And I don't care, you know, whether you legitimate or you a street dude. It's better to have than not to have. So that's what we're doing today, man. We're going out here and buy some cars, purchase some cars, some old school junks. You know, got a couple more junks we gonna flip, man. But I'm gonna teach y'all this game, man. So y'all ride with me. Y'all see what time it is. Yeah. Y'all subscribe, man. Y'all keep following. And we gonna do it up for y'all, all right? See y'all in a little bit. Y'all know what time it is. About to check this old school Benz out. 98 CL 500. Need a little work. This is the panel right here at the bottom. So we're gonna see what we got. Smell a little gas. Yeah, like it's got a little water in it. What up, dude?
What's up, man?
Interior a little messed up, but we're gonna see. Get back with y'all in a minute. Oh, you got a name for it?
Yeah,
What do you call it? Silver Goose.
Yeah.
Boy, these car guys, man. CL 500, a little rough, but paint.
Yeah, man.
On this side.
My wife bought me the car for Christmas.
Oh, your wife bought it for you?
Yeah.
Okay, that's dope, man.
We got this car in 99. It was late 99.
Okay.
I've been here ever since. Yeah.
All right, so you know the history of it and stuff like that.
For the
Okay.
most part, yeah.
Yeah, because you had that's like this was a year old when you got it, so you kept it. Yeah, so you.
Told you, man, when my wife get, cause when my license got suspended, right? So
Okay.
I ain't want to drive. I'm like, man, they see me driving this shit, man, pull over. So,
Oh yeah. Back then, anyway.
Back then, yeah.
Yeah, back then, anyway.
So she got a hold of it. I was like, oh my God, man. I cleaned the car, washed it. She come back, got Snicker bars all in it.
That's how it is.
Killed it.
But see, like I said, I restore these cars. You know what I mean? So I'm looking for the restore value.
Right.
I ain't really caring too much about the way that it is right now.
Mm-hmm.
My thing is that what I'm gonna put into it to bring it back up to level. When I mean bring it back to level, I mean bring it back factory.
Yeah.
Like we ain't throwing no big crazy
you like
wheels
me,
and none of that stuff.
Oh, cause
Yeah.
only ain't changed radios, man.
Yeah. But see, I'm glad that radio works.
Yeah, it still works.
I'm glad that radio worked because I wouldn't change it. I fix a knob, but I wouldn't change it. But so that's what I do. I restore these cars. So that's why I'm trying to, basically put a number on it that I know that, if I got to go one or two different ways, then I can get in and start digging. And worst case scenario, if I have to drop an engine in there, if I had to drop an engine in there because of the lifting noise, then, I could be able to say, but I like it. I want it. You know what I'm saying? I buy, because usually I buy them anyway. Like I usually go and I buy. I'm a constant buyer.
Right.
But it still got to be reasonable within reach for me so I can be able to do what I need to do to it. So, what's that right there? Okay, well, that's just the hole. All right, to the windshield, because I'm thinking.
For ball, for what my wife told me.
Okay.
But I'm like, ain't no basketball when it break no damn thick ass windshield.
Because this bulletproof right here. See, the black one that I had back in the days, I had bulletproof ones too, but it was the S. They just changed the name, you know what I mean? But it's still the same, same bulletproof,
Same body style.
And these were popular, you know what I'm saying? Back in the 90s, I remember the Wu-Tang video Old boy had one. Yeah, you remember all day, you know what I mean?
Bethel Man is my wife's cousin.
Okay, Bethel Man, your wife's cousin.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what's up. That's what's up. That's
Yeah.
what's up. That's
You
what's
see
up.
that side of the family, man. You like, damn, all y'all
What?
motherfuckers look like,
What? Real talk.
With the guys with the big, I'm talking,
Yeah,
all
they look
of
just
them
like meth.
Favor, that shit crazy
Yeah.
as hell.
So that's Big Something buying it just to restore it
Yeah.
and put it in my collection, you know. So that's what I'm doing. Cause these cars were very popular back then, man. And you had to have money to have one of these back then.
Yeah.
Like when I had my black joint, listen, I couldn't go nowhere. I couldn't pull up nowhere. When I had my black joint, you know, it was people was pulling up beside you like, giving you the thumbs up, and you know what I'm saying, and all this and that. So, you know, but yeah, man, I'll buy it, man. If you want to meet me on them terms, or, you know. Yeah, man, that Benz right there was just a little too rough for what I want to do. Because, see, I buy a lot of old school joints to rebuild and keep myself. But right now, my stable is kind of full. Well, I ain't trying to restore nothing for myself right now. Basically, I'll be restoring it, you know, for a client or for a customer, or to put back on the market. And that Benz, that CL500 was a little too rough. And this is what you got to realize, man, when you win this game. You really got to look at the investment end of what you're buying. It ain't just like buying a fly car, you know, to put wheels on and stuff like that. You got to really look at the investment, because, you know, we replace engines, transmissions, and all sorts of stuff in these old school cars that they needed. But the interior and the exterior at least got to be, for me personally, at least got to be at like 70% for me to start messing with it, because these are the cars that I'm trying to put on the market quick and fast and get them out of here. So you got to look at it like an investment at the end of the day, man. But the CL500 was just a little bit too rough for what I want to do with it. And, you know, it's just like one of those things, man. But anyway, you know, so that's what it is, man. Let's go check out my man. My man do ceramic coating, and I've been thinking about getting my 8 Series, you know, get the ceramic coating on my 8 Series. And he want me to slide through and see, you know, show me some of his work, you know what I mean? So we'll get with y'all soon, man. But yeah, I'm glad y'all seen that Benz. Like I said, it was a little too rough, and sometimes you got to look at it like an investment. If my stables went full, I could have put it to the side and done something to it later on. But you got to look at your money, because I'm telling you, this game is just like the dope game. What you put in, you got to get out plus a little bit more. If you can't see yourself getting out a little bit more, walk away. And you got to learn this in this flipping car game. Walk away. All right, let's go check the ceramic coating out. I hit with y'all here, all right?
Truck next.
Ceramic coating. Ceramic coating. Y'all look at this. So how many squirrels did it have in it before you done it?
I mean, it looked like you've been through the car wash. You know, drive through car wash a few times.
So what was the worst spot up here? Show it to me. What was the worst spot?
But always on the top surfaces is where you're.
Like up here?
Yep.
God, I can't see nothing. I can't see nothing. So I have a problem with the hoods. The hood is my problem. Gosh almighty.
Get the lady. Get the lady. Get the ladies done.
Oh, you done that too?
Get the ladies done.
Y'all gotta holler at my man. Y'all gotta holler at my man. He do the ceramic coat. What else you do?
Paint correction, ceramic coating, PPF,
Paint.
regular detail, interior cleaning, steam cleaning, engines, everything.
My God, man, I can't see it. One. And you done the wheels.
Yeah, wheels are fully coated also. So it's good for 7 years. You don't have to apply any wax, just keep it up. You won't get any tree sap, bird droppings won't affect it. You won't get any water spots, water edges.
So you saying that doing this paint correction, doing the ceramic coating, if you don't have like a permanent garage, is what you're saying?
Yep.
If it's going to be outside most of the time.
Yeah, you're
Okay. So with a car cover, with a car cover mess it up, like.
So anytime you have like sand on top of the paint and you put a car cover over it, then you're subject to scratches. So what I would say is use a thing called McKee's 914. It's called no rinse. Wipe it down first, make sure it's clean, then put the car cover over it.
I'm glad you told me that, because I got all BMW car covers over my cars.
Yeah.
But it makes sense.
Yeah, you just need to do a rinseless wipe so it's the least abrasive, on there. Take that all off, dry it, boom, put it on. And you don't even have to have like a water hose to do it. You get a 5-gallon bucket, put like 12 microfibers in there, you know, and then so microfiber, you get 4 uses out of one,
Okay,
right?
okay,
So
okay.
this is one, wipe it down, flip it over, do the other panel, flip it over again, boom, do it
Okay,
again. So
okay,
now you do
okay,
4
okay,
panels,
okay,
and they're good. You're not
okay,
scratching them.
Okay,
So,
okay. And that's the good knowledge right there, because like I said, some people just, me myself too, throw the car cover over it, and then if anything's sitting on the car, it's gonna scratch.
yeah.
That was a habit. My green BMW was happening to it right up in here.
Yep.
Like it would just, when it will move.
Yeah,
Okay.
so I mean, it sounds also you had like some clear coat failure.
Okay.
These are real subject to it because I
Okay.
mean, it's the closest to the sun.
Okay, okay, okay.
Where, you know, if you polish it a lot, then it's gonna end up
Okay,
wearing that
okay,
out.
makes sense.
Yeah, so this one was 2-stage polish. So we had
Okay.
a compound step, and then we had a finishing step on
Okay.
it. So we started off, we decontaminate it with the wash. Basically, we
Okay.
strip all the washes
Okay.
off.
Okay.
We clay bar it, and then I wash it again, and then I iron remove it,
Okay.
and then I hit it one more time with another clay bar on this one, and then we were good to go. So she cleaned up. Well,
Y'all heard it first, my man right here. I'm just letting y'all know. Y'all already know what time it is. If y'all want those cars to look like showroom and to be protected, here we go, man. Y'all see the results right here. It's the results, all right? Get with y'all later.